morning, everybody. We're back at it again Monday. I'm not really sure what we got going on today. I know we're doing some bridge work. I'm not really sure where I'm even going. I gotta call and find out where I'm going. All I got told was general direction of what place it was at. That was it. So, anyways, like I said, I don't know what we're getting into. I know it's bridge work. But y'all stick tuned and y'all can find out what we're getting into with me. All right, here we are. We're at another bridge off in the middle of nowhere. Like we do have cell phone service down here. I often forgot my sunglasses this morning. But we're saying as we did last on the other bridge. Fixing to go up here and cut our mark out across the line. We already got it covered. Show y'all our detour. It goes in right here and comes around. And then you just got to cross all this. Like to see you get through there in your Honda Civic. No, Todd's coming down here and he's going to move some of that stuff out of the way, but still not your typical detour route. Jeff is bringing breakfast. You're a good man, Jeff. We got to go up here and I'm gonna cut this line. We'll go across it once and then give you a good place to run, and then you can run back over and we'll just swap out. Sound good?
Yep.
All right, I got first little bit cut. I went all the way across. The length of pavement's gonna be about 8 inches thick. The blade won't cut all the way through it, but Jeff's gonna come back across on the line I just cut and cut as deep as we can go. Todd's over here cleaning out our crossing. That stuff's easy to cut now. I got that new blade on it.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. I don't think it's gonna go all the way through it. Some spots I got pretty deep in it, and other spots I didn't. But most of it should be a couple inches thick or a couple inches deep all the way through it. So you just stay on that line and cut down as far as the little blade will go. And we'll start pulling this side out. I still feel like it ain't gonna be too many people that's gonna want to go through there. All that, it's got this concrete blocks all the way through it. I don't know how far up this side they come, but I know they go up They're up underneath the track hole on that side. I guess he's done. Out in the skid steer. Trying to stay out of the dust. The wind keeps shifting. Time to make that thing where your grandma and her scooter can go across it. I do know we're going to do this bridge a little different. We're only going to do one side at a time. So we're going to start with this side, dig it all the way out, fill it back in like we did the other one, and then we'll do this side. The pavement don't go very far, just right there at the end of the guardrail, and then it turns back to gravel. But anyways, you do this stuff long enough, you'll understand that some of the jobs you do just don't make a whole lot of sense. But it's a job, you get paid for it. So, yeah, the end of the pavement is right here. So it's not even to the end of the guardrail. But 25 foot is what we're taking out again. This one's not as bad as the one we just left. It's got a little bit of a lip on it, but not a whole lot. I think this right here is going to be the worst spot. Right there. And that's not even the thickness of the sole of my boot. And this side here is the worst spot on this side, and it's not as bad as that side. Let's see if Jeff's done. What Todd's got going on real quick. All right. Might be a little more difficult to get through this one. Oh, guardrail. thicker than what our saw blade cut through like we think it is. He's getting it. If we can ever get underneath it, it's hard to get underneath it and curl the bucket without pushing on the guardrail. I didn't catch it in time, but I don't know if you can see it through the camera, but there's a top right in there. It just fell out of the top of one of them trees right there. I heard it cracking and looked over and seen it falling. I just didn't get the camera on it in time. Went ahead and cut the other side. So well, Jeff's finishing it up now. We've done it like we've done this side. Decided to go ahead and cut it, so we go ahead and get the cutting done and over with. He got some of it in. It's just gonna break all the pieces from where we cut it at. Slow going so far. Pick up if we ever gets underneath it. Alright, he readjusted. He's getting underneath it right there, and you see every bit of it's picking up. Just, there it goes. Needed to start braking. You never get it where you can get the bucket up underneath it. Let him get some of this tore up, loaded up. I'm running some old chunks we got from the last bridge job, the head of the rock box. I'm gonna run and dump these where he's pulling this up at. his bed up. And so when he sets that asphalt over in there, he can see a little better. And it don't beat and bang as much. Alright, we're going to let him dig some of this out. I'm going to shovel this little concrete, this asphalt we had left over here to him, and we'll get out and start pulling up rock. There he comes, off in the distance. It's about a 2-hour round trip. It's been a slow day. Let him get turned around and back down. Right, here we go. Got all the pavement out of this side. Now we started getting the rock out. Pad it up a little bit here so I don't mess up the edge. Sign up a little bit. Start my pile. We'll let Todd scratch down, see how far it is to dirt. Hit some dirt there already. bottom of it wide enough, and then we'll see how far we got to go with it. Put another little scoop up here. This. Get it nice wide as you want it, and it ain't gonna be necessarily as tall as you want it, because we got enough rock that I need to go higher. I'll flatten it out when that time comes. Grab some of this rock and kind of flatten it out a little bit. That way when you go in for another scoop, you ain't pushing it further back toward the edge of the bridge. Camera here. It's wanting to fall. catch up and give y'all an update when we get done. Right, end of the day here. Give y'all a quick little run around here. I got my pile built up. I did have to ramp up to go up on it. Give me enough room here to turn around. We got all the rock out down the dirt, except for along over there. There'll be more rock over there. Got the machines posted up. Got our road closed signs up. We're done for the day. Time to get out of here. I think Jeff made it out over there pretty good. That's gonna be it for today. Appreciate y'all joining me and checking out the video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope you liked it. If you did, hit that thumbs up. Shoot me a comment. Tomorrow, we'll be back doing more bridge work. Hope we're about done with bridges between me and you. But anyways, I'm gonna get out of here. And we'll catch y'all tomorrow. See ya. A little treat of some logging here. There's a Saney. Got a roto big head on it. A saw on it and everything. Cut and load all at once. They really done a number out here. This is, if I'm not mistaken, some of this stuff was when the tornadoes come through and blew over a bunch of it, and then you can see it out through there. It's a pretty good mess.